How are you guys? That's where we're heading at. Okay. Wow. Big. The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay. 中でこう小さいものもできてする。例えば始まります。私が話します。でスタートすると音からそのこれをステージの横に。Nikolai Bergman is all about surprise.
Let's see.
Put down your drink now just to be clear. I don't like no motivation. Vibrations magnified, always on the rise.
I feel very good. It's a beautiful place. It's big. I haven't done this big for a long time. I'm going to try to actually sort of stop up and see if I can relax enough to sort of really enjoy it midway through also, not only after. Relax, have fun, enjoy.
Can you match this energy? I came to move.
They get out and saw a star shining in the...
さあ、それではいよいよ両手待ち1クリスマスライブニコライ・バーグマンフラワーライブパフォーマンスが始まります。Thank you very much for your patience. The stage is now ready. So please welcome Mr. Nikolai Bergman. ニコライさんどうぞよろしくお願いいたします。お願いいたします。
Thank you. It was amazing. It was first of all beautiful hall. It's very amazing to do a flower performance in such a nice space where they know what they're doing in terms of sounds and lighting and everything. So a really cool experience. And then the cherry on top was for sure the jazz. I mean, I do many of these kind of performances, but to do it with live music is just amazing. So my feet was dancing as I was making the flowers. So it was fun, really fun.本当にこういう場所でこの大きいものを作るのはもう最高にもう、幸せ、楽しいですね。本当に、皆さん、今日集まっていただいて本当にありがとうございます。それから、Merry Christmas and Happy New Year ありがとうございます。